Hello students, welcome to Swapna Physics classes. In this class, I am going to give you the blueprint of TS IPE Physics examination and also the important questions list of long question and answers. Okay, let's see the blueprint first of all. From chapter 1 waves, we have two long question and answers, and from ray optics we have one short question and answer, one very short question and answers, and two short answer questions. From wave optics you have one short answer question, and from electric charges and fields you have two short answer questions, and from electrostatic potential you have two short answer questions, and from current electricity you have one essay question, long answer question, and from moving charges and magnetism you have one very short answer and one short answer questions. And from magnetism and matter you have two very short answer questions, and from electromagnetic induction you have only one short answer question. And from alternating current you have one very short answer question, and from electromagnetic waves you have one very short answer question. And coming to dual nature of radiation you have two very short answer questions, and from atoms you have two short answer questions. And from nuclei you have one essay question, long answer question, and from semiconductor electronics you have one short answer question and one very short answer question. And coming to communication system you have only one very short answer question. This is the blueprint of inter second year physics IPE examination, that to Telangana State Board examination. First of all, we initially focus on long answer questions. Okay, long answer questions are from wave chapter, current electricity, and from Nuclei chapter. Okay, see in section C we have four long answer questions. Four long answer questions are given and you have to attempt only two questions. Okay, each question carries 8 marks, 2 8 16 marks. So preparing wave chapter is enough for attempting section C. But in case you want to attempt extra question, you can attempt it from Nuclei chapter. You can leave this current electricity for choice. You can leave this current electricity chapter for choice. But I will also give the list of important questions from current electricity. If you want to prepare, it's up to you. Okay. And coming to the question paper pattern, in section A, 10 very short answer questions. 10 very short answer questions are given and you have to attempt all the 10 questions, and each question carries 2 marks, 10 to 20 marks. Coming to section B, in section B 12 short answer questions are given and you have to attempt 6 questions. Okay, and each question carries 4 marks, 6 4 24 marks. Coming to section C, 4 long answer questions are given and you have to attempt 2 questions, 2 8 16 marks, and the total marks for your physics IPE examination are 60 marks. Okay, and I will give very important questions list for 8 marks in today's class, and we have 2 questions from waves chapter, and these are the 4 questions, very important questions list from waves chapter. If you prepare these 4 questions you will be able to attempt 2 questions, 2 essay questions. Okay, let's see those questions. The first question is, explain the formation of stationary waves in an air column enclosed in open pipe. Derive the equation for the frequencies of harmonics produced. And second question is, how are stationary waves formed in closed pipes? How are stationary waves are formed in closed pipes? Explain the various modes of vibration and obtain the relations for their frequencies. And coming to next question, third question, explain the formation of stationary waves in stretched strings and hence deduce the laws of transverse waves in stretched strings. Coming to the last question, fourth question from waves chapter, what are beats? Obtain an expression for the beat frequency, where and how beats made use of. These are the 4 questions, very important questions, long answer question and answers from wave chapter. If you prepare these 4 questions, you will be able to attempt 2 question and answers, long answer question and answers in your IPE examination. If you want to attempt one more extra question, you can attempt from Nuclei chapter. If you prepare this one question, this is the gunshot question for your examination from Nuclei chapter. Okay, explain the principle and working of nuclear reactor with the help of a labeled diagram. This is the only one question we have, very important question from Nuclei chapter. If you prepare this question, you will be able to attempt one question from this chapter. And coming to the current electricity, as per our blueprint, in your examination you will get one essay question. Okay, and I will give 3 important question and answers, long question and answers, and out of these 3 you will get one essay question in your examination. Okay, let's see that question. State Kirchhoff's laws for an electrical network. Using these laws, deduce the condition for balance in a Wheatstone bridge. State the working principle of potentiometer. Explain the help of the circuit diagram. Explain with the help of a circuit diagram how the EMF of 2 primary cells are compared by using the potentiometer. State the working principle of potentiometer. Explain with the help of the circuit diagram how potentiometer is used to determine the internal resistance of the given primary cell. Okay, these are the 8 essay questions, important essay questions for your IPE examination. Preparing these 5 questions, that is 4 questions from wave chapter and 1 question from Nuclei chapter, is enough for attempting 3 questions in your IPE examination. Okay, and in our next lecture I am going to explain this first question with the notes. I will also give you the notes which is enough for writing in your examination. Okay, I am going to explain this question in our next class. Okay, bye.